First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. To create AI videos for TikTok, start by deciding what type of short-form video you want to make. You could create a product showcase, storytelling video, educational clip, comedy video, trend-style content, or another short video designed for mobile viewers. Before generating your video, plan the main idea and keep the story simple. Start with a strong opening that can capture attention within the first few seconds. Now open the video generation workspace in Higgsfield AI and create your first scene. Write a detailed prompt describing the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, mood, and visual style. For example, you could create a fast-paced cinematic scene featuring a futuristic motorcycle riding through a neon city at night, with dynamic camera movement, glowing lights, realistic reflections, and dramatic lighting. Generate the scene and review the result. If the movement or visual style isn't right, refine the prompt and generate another version. For TikTok, vertical video is generally the most suitable format, so choose an appropriate portrait aspect ratio when the current Higgsfield AI interface provides that option. Create several short scenes instead of trying to generate one long video. Then arrange the clips in a video editor and add narration, music, sound effects, captions, or other elements. Keep the pacing fast enough to maintain attention, but make sure viewers can still understand what is happening. You can also experiment with different openings and visual styles to